videos for a while. This is a RAV4. I don't even know what year this thing is, but the guy brought it here to me so I can put on a bug reflector, which is a little too late for that because I mean it's chipped everywhere. And a step, and I don't even know why you would want to put a step on something this low already. Okay, so it's a 7. Okay, that's the thing on. I guess it's just there to hide the scratches is there now. And that's self-explanatory. It goes on with no problem. Okay, I'm getting ready to put on this. It comes with 2 of these. That's the 2 rear mounts. That one is passenger side and driver side. These bolts go in the back. It has a hole already there. You slide it up, hook it in, and bolt it. The longer ones for the front. That's the long one. That's the short one. The short one in the rear, the long one in the back. That's the instructions. But it's not something you really need. Real simple. The bars, these, and it comes with a space. I think this one is for the front 2 spaces because the front area has 2 places to mount and some nuts and bolts to mount it, and the bracket for the front. Yeah, the 2 spaces for the front. You have two plates, a passenger side and a driver side, and that's the other bar. All right, I'll go ahead and start putting it on. Oh, and that was the bug reflector. Go ahead and put that on and then come on back. Okay, we're gonna start with the passenger front. That's this bracket here. First thing, this will be going up in here somehow right there. You have this one here. No, this one there. That one there. With this at the top of that. And that's all you need. Oh, and the long one. We'll go on and see what it looks under there. Okay, let me get this. Okay, let me see if I can find it. Okay, that's where this goes in. It's so close I can't focus. All right. That's what it does. Goes in just like that. It's a twisted counterclockwise, and it locks in place. Oh. And then the spacer is supposed to ride on this right there, like that, and the bracket. This other one, I'm thinking I have to take this little plug out. I'm gonna put the bracket up and then check it. All right. That's what it looks like when it's finished. And all you have to do is take out the little plug for the small one. Now on the back here, you got just one hole. Nothing in it. It's just a space you put in the short gold color link, and then bolt it in. That's all the back gets, and then this side is done. Okay, that side goes in with just the one bolt. It's on the front side. This is still loose, and keeping it that way for when I put on the side, I can adjust it and then torque it. It's loose. So I'll go ahead and get the side on. Alright, I got the front one in. That's what you need. A lock washer, a washer, and it goes up in that hole right there's a elongated hole. This other one here, it will not fit. So you're using the elongated hole, and it has a hole at the top for it to go in. Right. I'll show you something when it's all done. Right. That's what it looks like when it's on. Blends in real nice. Don't like the feel. Feels solid, but it has a little spring to it. Yeah, that's all.